this pattern we are making multiple of 9 chains plus 3. Then on the fourth chain from hook we are going to start making double crochet. Make double crochets all the way up to here. Once that is done, we chain 2 is enough to get the height, and turn your work. Then 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 1 double crochet in the stitch next to it too. Then skip the next 2 stitches and we are going to make special stitch. So that is yarn over hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop. Then one more time, yarn over the hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop. Yeah, one more time, yarn over the hook, insert the hook, bring up a loop. Then you go through, yarn over hook and go through all these loops except the one remaining on the hook from that double crochet. Then yarn over hook and go through the remaining 2 loops on the hook. Try to make a chain 2, 1, 2, then make another petal. Then chain 2, make the next petal. Now we skip 2 double crochets, then going to the third double crochet we started making double crochets in each stitch, 1, 2 and 3. So we repeat the pattern, skipping 2 stitches and making another 3 petals in the next one. Chain 3, this chain 3 no, chain 2 and one more petal. Then chain 2, one more petal. Then skip the next 2 stitches, then we have 1, 2 and the turning chain. So we are going to make a 3 double crochet, one on top of this one, the next one is here, and the last one is on the turning chain. This is one row of the pattern. Now we are in the second row of the pattern. So chain 2, again we are going to make a double crochet in the next stitch and double crochet in the next stitch. Now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we are on top of this middle petal and going to make a single crochet. Again chain 3, again we are here making double crochets. Then we make chain 3, again we have the petal here, so we are going to make a single crochet in the middle petal, then chain 3. I'm going to make the next 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3. This is a pattern for the scarf. You can make it according to your desired length. You can make as many rows as you needed to make the length.